In this video, we are going to discuss discrete random variables. If x is a discrete random variable, which may take k different values, then it needs to satisfy the two conditions. First is the probability lies between 0 and 1. The minimum value for probability is equal to 0, and the maximum value for the probability is equal to 1. And total for the probability is equal to 1, from 1 to k. It needs to satisfy the two conditions to say that this is discrete random variable. Okay, it's very important. You have to remember the two statements. Okay, this is n. Okay, probability lies between 0 and 1, and total probability is equal to 1. For cumulative distribution function, represented by capital F of x, its probability when x less or equal xi, or total probability for each probability of xi. Okay, this is number line. This is a probability when 0, the probability something here. Okay, PS equals 0, 1, PS equals 1, 2, PS equals 2. For cumulative, okay, we call it all. Okay, call it all. This one plus, probability this one plus this one until let's say F3. Call it all everything. We call this is cumulative distribution function. Call it all the probability from left to here, up to x. From less, this is less, from left to xi, x3. For median expressed by m, median, probability that x less or equal m is equal to half, 0.5. Okay, remember total probability is equal to 1. Okay, this region is equal to 0.5, and the other region also 0.5 to make the total probability is equal to 1. So this is m. Okay, so probability Fm, from left, negative 52m, the probability is equal to 0.5. So this is called median. Median is value for x. Look at the example. Random variable x has the following probability distribution, given that in this question, probability x equals s is equal to c times modulus absolute value of 3 over 2 minus x, whereas s is equal to 0, 1, 2. C is a constant. A, determine the value of C. C is a constant. So, to determine the value of C, given the statement, when x is equal to 0, 1, 2. Here we change x to 0, 1, 2, and at the same time we do for this x. When x is equal to 0, this should be changed to also to 0. So the first step is write down x is equal to 0 is equal to c 3 over 2 minus 0 is equal to 3 over 2 c. When x is equal to 1, substitute c 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 over 2 c. When x is equal to 2, substitute. Yes, substitute this x by 2. When you substitute 2, the answer is negative half. So for absolute value, negative half change to positive half. So answer is 1 over 2 c. If you still can't remember, transfer all these infos to table. Here, write x. P of x equals x. So your variable is x is 0, 1, 2. When x is equal to 0, probability is 3 over 2 c. Here, when x is equal to 1, the probability is 1 over 2 c. And when x is equal to 2, the probability is 1 over 2 c. This is total probability for discrete random variable is equal to 1. You must skip this step. You must skip this table. Okay. So all the total. Okay, you can maybe you can do like this. This is skip the step. Total probability is equal to 1. Or Px is equal to 0 plus Px is equal to 1 plus Px is equal to 2 is equal to 1. And substitute the value. 3 over 2c plus 1 over 2c plus 1 over 2c is equal to 1. Okay, all the total here is on the left hand side is 5 over 2. C is equal to 1. Therefore, C is equal to 2 over 5. Okay, you must skip this step. You must skip this step. So this is part A. Determine the value of C. So C answer is 2 over 5. For part B, tabulate the values of P x equals K. K equals 0, 1, 2. It's the same side, right? This is x, this is K. So this is x, 0, 1, 2, K, 0, 1, 2. So the same thing. We just use the same table and replace substitute C as 2 over 5. For B, again do the table. If the first one using table to find C, x, P, property x equals x, x 0, 1, 2. And when x is equal to 0, 3 over 2 C. Substitute 2 over 5. So you can get that one is equal to 3 over 5. And here for when S is equal to 1, okay, 1 over 2 C. C is 2 over 5. Means that answer is 1 over 5. And the same thing goes to when S is equal to 2. That is 1 over 5. This is total. You may skip this box. Okay. Total suppose 1. For part C, write down the cumulative distribution of x. Take the median. Okay, cumulative distribution of x. Okay, for part C, to find the cumulative, okay, for a discrete random variable, okay, from the table, add on one row here, below here, this is cumulative. Okay, capital F of x, means that you sum up everything in the cell here. Okay, 3 over 5, first starting 3 over 5, plus the second box, 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5, get 4 over 5. Plus the next box, because of cumulative, that collect everything from left to right. Okay, 5 over 5, that is 1. This cumulative distribution function for discrete random variable. Okay, so the question asks us to find cumulative, write down the cumulative distribution of x. So for cumulative distribution function can be expressed by starting by 0 and add with 1. Okay, so all the total inside between here is all everything. The cumulative, the value of the probability. The first one is 3 over 5. Second is 4 over 5 and 1 here. Okay, so the interval, okay, check, this is 0, 0. So when s is equal to 0, fx is equal to 3 over 2. So 0 right down here. When s is equal to 1, here is 4 over 5. So now this is 1 and this is 2. So this is included. Okay, so here is 1. Here 1 here. Okay, so x lies between 0 included and 1 excluded. Okay, this one is before this, less than 2. X lies between 1 included and less than 2. So this is x greater than greater or equal to. Okay, this is x less than 0 because no value here, right? So 0, x less than 0. Here is x more than or equal to. So no value on the right hand side. Same thing, no value on the left hand side here. Okay, this is cumulative distribution function for discrete random variable. Okay, next is find the median. Okay, from this cumulative median, you can find median. Median is in the middle, M. Okay, so median means that fx is equal to 0.5. Okay, all the probability for the median is on the left hand side is equal to 0.5 and on the other right hand side is equal to 0.5. So this one is actually 0.6. Is 0.8 and this is 1. So 0.6 when x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 or 0.6. 0.6 is more than 0.5. Median, okay, is equal to 0. 0 because of we want the number 0.5. From the above discussion, I hope that you understand what is discrete random variable and know how to find cumulative distribution function and median for discrete random variable.